So this weekend is Super Bowl weekend. Kansas City Chiefs versus the Philadelphia Eagles. The first time ever that two black quarterbacks will start in a Super Bowl. Patrick Mahomes lead the Chiefs and Jalen Hurts lead the Eagles. Of course, up to quite recently, black quarterbacks were a no-no in the NFL. This elite position was supposed to be this cerebrally superior task that was beyond the fast-running and hard-tackling black players. But things and times have changed. Of course, I am a Kansas City Chiefs fan. Yes, Patrick Mahomes is the best and most versatile quarterback in the league with unparalleled skill sets. We need that X factor in Mahomes to be at least 70 to 80% fit. Of course, Jalen Hurts and that Eagles offense will be no slouches. But in Mahomes, we trust. Yes. Anyway, the NFL is arguably the most unpredictable game in all of sport. One thing we can say for sure, though, is that you can bet your house and your land on this. And it is that a black quarterback will win the Super Bowl.